Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the GoPro Media Mod. This was purchased on an online website and it cost me 7,500 rupees, and this is compatible with the Hero 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 being the latest in the GoPro line, action camera line. And this is the packaging. As you can see, it's a quite normal packaging, and let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So here we have some literature about how to use the Media Mod and what are the connections it can have, and other things like that. And this is a bolt that they've given along with the J mount. This can be used to clip on this device to your helmet for motovlogging, and you open this and put this into the chin mount and then tighten this with the camera. Now this is the Media Mod itself. Now why would you want a Media Mod for the GoPro? The reason being that the internal mic is not very capable of picking up good audio for your recordings, so that is why a Media Mod is recommended. And this also comes in handy when you are using it as a motovlogging setup on your helmet. So it's quite simple. First we open this little door here, and you come to your GoPro. This is a GoPro 13, and this also has a door. Here you can see the battery and the Type-C port. Now what you do is, I'll show you how to install it. Just pull this off and this door comes out. Set it aside and turn it around and slide the GoPro inside. As you can see, this port Type-C male and female connectors, they are aligned, and just push it inside tight and close it. So this is a bidirectional mic, and there is a cold shoe mount here and here, and there are 3 connectors. This is a HDMI out connector, this is the USB-C connector, and this is the mic 3.5 mm socket, which can be used to connect an external mic, whether it's a wired mic like a Sony mic or a DJI or any other of these mics. So this power button aligns to the power button on the device itself. Let's go and power this up and see if it switches on. Perfect, it just works perfectly. And this is how you install a Media Mod on the GoPro. Now let's switch this off. And this is the wind muffler for the Media Mod. In case you are filming in a very windy area, there will be a lot of wind noise, so you mount this in this way and it's good to go. So this is how it mounts onto the, and at the bottom you can always open this, and again you can mount it to your any of the mounts which are available in the market. So this goes like this, and the screw comes in there. So that was a short and simple video on unboxing of the Media Mod for the GoPro 13. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.